This shows the typical arrangement of a bridge-type inverter. Alternatively, thyristor pairs T1, T2 and T3, T4 are switched on. Whenever T1, T2 are on, load terminal A becomes positive and B becomes negative. Whenever T3, T4 are on, load terminal B becomes positive and A becomes negative. Thus, alternating or AC voltage is available across load which is derived from DC input. T1, T2, T3 and T4 are IGBTs these days. Switching of these pairs is modulated using DSP. This modulated PWM produces sine wave across the load after passing through output low-pass filters. In reality, all higher rating UPS systems are of three-phase versions. DSP processes error between actual output and desired output and corrects the PWM action. The inverter output is synchronized with bypass supply for phase and frequency.